Hello, Farm Girls Oil Garden group members. I just want to jump on and chat with you guys briefly today about the Loyalty Rewards Program, or LRP. A lot of times we throw this around like, put this on your LRP, and some people may not be aware of what this program is or why they would want to use it. And so, what I wanted to do is just chat with you guys briefly, and I have two little slides to help explain this. But the Loyalty Rewards Program is kind of like a combination between a subscription box and a frequent flyer program. And it comes with your membership, you don't have to pay more for it. Um, and what it enables you to do is purchase doTERRA product, which you already get that 25% off retail discount as a member. But the Loyalty Rewards Program enables you to earn points back on product that you can spend on future doTERRA product. So it is really very valuable and extremely economical. Let me give you some examples. So I started with doTERRA in November or October of 2016. Does that sound right? Yeah. And by November of 2017, I was at 30% product points back. What that looks like is I'm getting 55% off retail price of everything that I purchased from doTERRA because I'm getting 25% off wholesale plus 30% product points back. When I place a doTERRA order, I usually buy around 100 points. So I'm usually getting between 30 and 40 points back every month to spend on product. And I can put those points to, and most products that doTERRA offers. And I usually wait about 3 months and I go on like a doTERRA shopping spree. So it's really fun and it's really cool because I can't go to Whole Foods and ask for a loyalty card and give the cash register a loyalty card and say I want 55% off all of my healthcare products. That's what doTERRA offers. It's incredible. And it's something that you definitely want to take advantage of if you're not already. Now, I know you're thinking, well, Brooke, I don't need like $100 worth of essential oils every month. I know that. I totally get that. But here's the thing. You do purchase a lot of products that are toxic laden, chemical laden products that you can substitute for doTERRA's all natural essential oil infused products, and you're saving yourself quite a bit of money. For instance, the cleaner concentrate that doTERRA offers is extremely cost effective because you only need 2 tablespoons of that concentrate per 24 ounces of water, and it makes like 50 bottles of cleaner. There's no way I can get that value out of a chemical laden cleaner that I buy at the grocery store. So, that's a really easy way. That's something that you can put on your order and begin to use healthier cleaner for your family. And it works on dishes, it works on surfaces, it works in mop water, it works in the bathroom. It's amazing. And it's protective, kills germs and bacteria. That's just one of the small examples. If you aren't taking, we would have to eat 5 times the food that people ate in 1950 to get the same amount of nutrients because our food is just nutrient deficient. And so supplementation is so vital to our bodies. So you can just add the doTERRA supplements to your LRP, and be getting those benefits each month. I could not live without the Lifelong Vitality supplement. Seriously, they are just incredible. Um, so your vitamins, you can get your vitamins. You can get your laundry detergent. They have laundry detergent that isn't full of chemicals. You can get your protein powders. They have the Terra greens for getting greens into your food. They have probiotics. They have skincare. Guys, my skin looks amazing because I've been using the doTERRA essential skincare line and I absolutely love it. My shampoo and conditioner and the serum, that's all I used in my hair. I didn't use any styling product. This is just root to tip serum and doTERRA shampoo and conditioner, and they work beautifully. I'm not putting chemicals and toxins on my body anymore. And it's just amazing to use those products. So be thinking like, okay, you're not, you can replace some of the things that you buy at the store, the health food store, and put those on your loyalty rewards order every month. Save yourself some money, save your health, get better, higher quality products that have essential oils in them, that you would use daily anyway. And then what you're looking at is a year from now, you're going to be at 55% off of retail price, and you can't beat that deal. So let me show you guys just a couple of little slides about the loyalty rewards program. It rewards you for ordering regularly, gives you free product. It's similar to a frequent flyer program. You can choose different products each month. You can cancel anytime. You can keep your product credits by placing, so let's say you don't want to order something that month and your budget's tight or something, just order a 1 PV order, and it keeps your points that you've accrued up to that point, so that you don't lose those. You don't want to lose those. And then your percentage goes up each month that you spend 50 or more PV. And so that you are getting a higher percentage of points back from doTERRA. If you spend 125 PV, you get the free product of the month when you order before the 15th. And it's just phenomenal. So here's kind of a graphic that shows you that, how that percentage point goes up each month. And so by month 13, you're at 30%. So that is something that you want to take advantage of today. And if you don't, if you're not signed up for LRP, that's cool. Contact your wellness advocate. I can even post a video on how easy it is to set that up. It's simple, simple. And you begin to take advantage of that, and really empower your health and your wellness by replacing toxic chemical-laden products with cheaper alternatives from doTERRA, and utilizing the LRP program to do so. So if you guys have any questions about that, feel free to comment. But y'all have an awesome day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.